Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view sent friend requests that you've sent out to other people on Facebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Facebook and go to your profile page, and you want to select the Friends tab and select versus friend request. So if you've sent any friend requests recently, they should be listed here, in which case you can select their profile and remove the friend request or delete it if you so choose. But that's pretty much all you have to do, so pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And you can also select the friends button up at the top, and then again, go underneath friend requests. That's another way to do it. And if you select view sent request, it'll give you a list of any friends you've requested to be connected with. So like I said, pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.